Okay, we got the 2004 Chevy pickup truck, four-wheel drive. John's coming in with it right now. This truck has just a little under 100,000 miles on it, like 96,000 miles. In pretty decent shape. It's got a couple of dents in it, a couple small dents, but overall pretty good. This side's pretty clean. We got the fifth wheel hitch in the back for the fifth wheel trailer. Got an extra toolbox. Got a little dent right there underneath the 4x4 in the lower panel. It's a pretty smooth dent. It's got a little wrinkle in the back door right here. The Vortec engine. V8. Running right here. It's nice and smooth. $96,169 miles. Automatic transmission. Nice stereo. Back seats. I don't know if you can read that. I'll get a picture of this too, so it'll be something steady. Do you know if that's 1/2 or 3/4 ton? Six-bolt wheels on it. At least the hubcap say 6-bolt. Okay. There she is.